How to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix TikTok repost option not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to any profile. And after you find a video that you want to repost, open it up. Let me just open up my friend's profile. So let's go here. So let's say that I want to repost this very TikTok. Now to do that, I first tap on the share button and you'll see the repost option. Now if you don't find this repost button, what you'll need to do is the first step is head over to your app store and update the TikTok app. Now the reason why your repost option is not showing can be due to your TikTok not being updated so that the feature may be available. So head over to your TikTok. If you see an update button instead of the open button, tap on update to update the app. After you've updated the app, you can then head over to your TikTok and then try it again. If that does not fix it, what you'll need to do is you might want to go to your settings, head over to general. After you're on general, head over to iPhone storage, then locate your TikTok app. So let's do that. There we go. Now offload the app and then reinstall it back again. After you do that, head back again to your TikTok, long press on it and clear its cache. After doing all of that, even after doing all that, your repost option is not showing. What you might need to understand is that your repost feature is not yet available in your region. So all you can do right now is wait for the feature to be available in your region, and after it is, update your app and then you will be able to repost your videos. So yeah, that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.